I have here a drop of pond water with a little bit of, not algae, but some dirt from the pond. We can see some small specks of light moving around. I've put us in something called dark field, which lights them up from the side rather than the bottom. So that's why we have a black background. We can see them moving, so let's zoom in and take a look. There's quite a large number of these. I don't know what each of these species is called, but in general they're called ciliates because they have little structures called cilia, like little hairs that they wiggle and it pushes them through the water. They're basically swimming. In every little bit of pond water you have a very large number of creatures. And if we go in even further, we can see not only the ciliates, but spiral-shaped bacteria. They move by turning in a spiral. Isn't that weird? Can you see them? They're a little bit smaller than the ciliates, but there sure are a lot. I'll take a look just a little bit closer. There we go. Now they are in water, which means they're swimming up and down, and so it is difficult to get anything in focus. They are alive, that's for sure. Oop, there's a long stick-shaped something. It's moving down the screen. You can see how they swim up and down in the water. Makes it difficult to get them in the same focus. After some thought, I've decided to add some blue dye, some methylene blue, to the sample. I expected that this would kill most of the ciliates, and it looks like it has. There are many, but there are many fewer than there were. It even gave some unexpected coloring. So we see some red in the middle. I do not know where that red came from. Over here we see that the blue coloring penetrated some of the sides of this pond debris, but did not manage to stain the inside of it. Did not reach that far inside. And if I zoom in a little to some of the ciliates, let's see how they are affected. I see many small bacteria moving around. Not nearly the same number of ciliates. Many of them are not moving. There we go. I believe that they may be dead or near dead. I turned up the light source, and now I can see them. But good news, they're blue. Here's some lively ones. Here's an expanding air bubble, pushing a whole heap of them, like a heap of leaves, right over. Many are dead or dying, and they're all getting swept away as this bubble comes.